48 Laws of the Music Business, narrated by Salmon. Before the charts, before the contracts, before the crowd learns your name, there is the struggle that no one sees. In Jamaica, music is not just entertainment. It is survival, identity, and ambition compressed into rhythm. It comes from church halls, street corners, sound systems shaking concrete, and bedrooms turned into studios with whatever tools are available. In that world, talent is everywhere, but opportunity is not. This is where your story begins. A place where a song is never just a song. It is a pitch, a weapon, a calling card, a way out. Every decision in music carries weight. And who you trust, who you build with, who you let speak for you, and who you let own your sound. Because the truth of the industry reveals itself early. Many people don't lose because they lack talent. They lose because they misunderstand power. You learn quickly that the studio is only half the game. The other half is negotiation, perception, timing, and leverage. A hit record can change your life, but ownership can decide whether that change lasts. Some artists you admire will disappear not because they failed musically, but because they never understood the business behind the applause. Others will rise not because they were the most gifted, but they learned to move the most strategically when no one was watching. You start to see patterns, friendships that shift when money enters the room, opportunities that look like blessings but function like traps, collaborations that build someone else's empire and drains your own, and moments where one decision quietly defines a career. But you also see the other side. Independent builders, sound system culture, grassroots promotion, and creators turning limited resources into global influence. People who learn how to turn attention into leverage and leverage into longevity. This book is born from that tension. Not theory, not fantasy, but lived understanding of how music actually moves, from the yard to the world stage. Each law is not just philosophy, it is a reflection of real patterns that have shaped artists from Kingston to Los Angeles, from underground sessions to global arenas. And as you step deeper into the music business, one truth becomes unavoidable. The industry does not award effort alone. It rewards awareness. Awareness of people, awareness of timing, awareness of self. The awareness of the game being played around you while you are focused on the music. These laws are not here to make you paranoid. They are here to make you precise. Because once you understand the structure behind the sound, you are no longer just creating music. You are building position, protecting value, and shaping legacy. And in this world, legacy is the only thing that doesn't get remixed.